Well, thanks for visiting us at arklatexhomepage.com. I'm Josh Morses with your Friday morning forecast update. And our weather pattern undergoing some changes this morning. We're not quite as cold as the past few days, as most of us will start out in the low 50s this morning. And south wind starting to really kick in about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Won't be as breezy as yesterday, but we'll have a steady wind about 10 miles per hour out ahead of a cold front that will move in later. So that front will actually make it in early enough today that it will keep us at 63 in Idabel and Texarkana in the 60s out ahead of the front. Similar to yesterday, should be in the low to mid 70s across much of East Texas and Louisiana. So the front now making its way down across Oklahoma. We're drawing in that Gulf air ahead of the front, so that's the reason we are seeing an increase in cloud cover. So it will be mostly cloudy for much of the day, and the front will bring a little chance for rain later. But again, we're watching this upper level disturbance out in the southwest, which will eventually move in this weekend. And much like last weekend, it will give us that warm front, cold front combo as we move through the next few days, and potentially do have a setup here where we could see some strong to severe storms, mainly late tomorrow and through the day Sunday. So FUTURECAST just showing a few isolated rain showers out there today. It's not going to be very widespread as far as the coverage of the rain. There's a little higher chance for some thunderstorms south of I-20 this evening and into tonight, but at this point don't expect that we'll see any severe weather with that. We'll get a break from the rain as expected much of the day Saturday. The cold front that rolls through will actually get pushed back north as a warm front, so you see some of those scattered thunderstorms late Saturday, early Sunday. That's round one of potential severe weather. Could see some large hail, some high wind gusts with some of those storms, and the higher threat for severe weather will be across East Texas and Louisiana Sunday, getting indications that those storms will pop up Sunday morning, much like we did see on Easter morning. These storms will continue to move across the region, bringing a damaging wind threat mainly, but we could have a few isolated tornadoes. So again, middle of the day Sunday, that's when we're expecting most of these severe weather to move through. So first outlook, that is going to be for your late Saturday into early Sunday. Possibility we have one or two storms that produce some high wind and hail. Again, 1 to 5, this is a level 1 threat, which is on the low end of the scale. And then we have categories 2 and 3 for East Texas and Louisiana. Orange area there, the enhanced risks. We're really expecting most of this severe weather to stay to our south and to our east, but we could see some scattered severe storms. Again, that will be Sunday morning into Sunday afternoon. As far as FUTURECAST, we'll go ahead and blow through that and then go ahead and show you the rainfall totals. Looks like we could see some 1 to 2 inch accumulations. Flash flood threat here will be low, but again, we could see multiple rounds of storms south of I-20, so we could see some isolated, maybe roadway flooding here. But as we head into next week, your temperatures will kind of respond to the sunshine. We'll be into the low 80s by next Tuesday. We're watching another system which will move in Wednesday. Looks very similar to the one that we'll see this weekend, so we do potentially have another round of severe weather during the day Wednesday, so a lot that we're watching for you over the next 7 days.